Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a margin style drop cap in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document and take a paragraph. Now we want to add a margin style drop cap this document. Select a text. Now I select the H text. Then go to the insert menu and click drop cap drop down menu. Then select in margin. Now we can see here we add margin style drop cap very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.